In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on two-factor authentication in Facebook. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in to your account, head over to the menu section by clicking on the menu button. Now on the menu section, go ahead and click on the settings icon, which you'll find beside the search button. Click on the settings icon. Now in here, go ahead and head over to the account center by clicking on see more in account center, and this will redirect you to Facebook account center. And here, go ahead and head over to password and security. Now go ahead and click on two-factor authentication. Now select your Facebook account, and in here what you'll need to do is to confirm that you're doing this action over to your email and copy the security code sent to you by Facebook to be able to continue with the next steps. So here are the three options that you have for your two-factor authentication. You can use an authentication app, SMS or WhatsApp, and security keys for your two-factor authentication on Facebook. Just go ahead and select the form of two-factor authentication of your preference and click on the next button. And here, select the number that you want to use. Now click on the next button again. You can add a new phone number if you need to. Now, Facebook will send you a confirmation code on the phone number that you use for your two-factor authentication. So just go ahead and enter it on this area and click on the next button to proceed with the next step. So in here, make sure to enter your Facebook password to proceed activating the two-factor authentication feature for your Facebook account. And that's how you can simply turn on two-factor authentication in Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.